Hi, second grade. Welcome to spelling. Today's Monday, April 12th, 2021. Now, before break, we learned about suffixes, those couple letters that are added to the end of a root word, or also known as a base word, and it changes the meaning of the word. So, a reminder, a root word or a base word is a word without a suffix, or the thing we're going to learn about in a second, a prefix. So this down here, respect, that would be a base word. Now a suffix is a word part that comes after the root or the base word. So in this case, full, respectful, full of respect. Now this week we're going to be focusing on prefixes, which are the couple letters now that come before the base word. So in this case down here, we have dis, D-I-S, to make the word, if we take off the suffix, makes the word disrespect. Now, the letters D-I-S, dis, means opposite of. So in this case, we're saying the opposite of respect. So again, a prefix is added to the beginning of a word to make a new word. So the new word has a new meaning. We just talked about dis, and this week we're actually going to focus on these two other ones. Re, which means again, and un, which means not. Think to yourself, do you know any words that start with re or un? Okay, so one of our prefixes for this week is un. So let's go over these words. We have unhappy, which means not happy. Untangle, so like not tangled. Say you have a bunch of strings that are all tangled, you want to untangle them so they will not be tangled. Unkind, that's one we're familiar with, so to not be kind. Unlike, so to be like different from one another. Unlock, so like if the door's not locked. And unpack, so to not be packed. Notice how adding the prefix un to all of these words changed that original meaning of the base word. And our other prefix for this week, again, is re, which means again. So to retell something means to tell again. To repaint means to paint again. Refill, we hear this one when we used to go out to restaurants, like, do you need a refill? You're filling like a cup again, or anything else that you're filling again. Remake, so to make again. So maybe if you made some artwork and you really liked it, you want to remake it, so you have a second one. Replay, to play it again. And reread, another one we're familiar with, to read again. Notice these words, they're words that we use in our everyday life, but now you're aware that when you say these, you're saying the base word, which is like these words, and you're adding the prefix, which then changes the meaning. If you haven't already, please write these spelling words in your planner on page 97 and highlight over the prefix in each word. You will work on these more in reading groups throughout this week and in the future. Thank you.